Let's take a walk through the deepest part of the hood. I wanna know who it was that said it was all good. He must have never been to the corner and spent a half an hour longer where you could smell reality stronger, where they sell you grease in a box and hope that you die quicker. And if you're old enough to walk to the store, you can buy liquor, where you can find a dice game at any time of the night. Somebody gets shot or stabbed, every time is a fight, where cats die in the blue sky in the sunlight, and you're bound to get clown for not holding your gun right. But little kids with great game, cause they learn to take aim at a young age in the new police with a fake name. He's telling them, I'm Bobby Jackson from 3B, when the fact is, he's really Rashawn from 4D. Hey, this is going out to your hood straight from mine. Hey yo, let's take a walk in blue skies and sunshine, come on.
Blue skies, sunshine, what a day. Let's take a walk in the blue skies, sunshine, what a day. Let's take a walk in the blue skies, sunshine, what a day. Let's take a walk in the blue skies, sunshine, what a day. Let's take a walk in the
over here, it's either rap, hustle, crack, or play ball. And gats niggas carry ain't small. The cats that used to be kids when you ran the halls is the drug laws. His bro's the same chick that like you from the 4th floor. Her older brother, he the neighborhood bully. You and him cool, but he keep playing your boy cause he pussy. Where the old ladies be up in your VI, calling 911 every time you in the yard trying to be high. Dice games can turn into a shootout quick. If you saying he aged, then he's saying he's 6th. People waiting for the mail to get their check. In blue skies and sunshine, you gotta give respect to get respect, you know?
blue skies.